I think that the partnership with Aquarion Water Company is really profound. As a major corporation that has environmental education at its heart, it's perfect that it's aligned with a major nature-based institution like the Stamford Museum and Nature Center. We've been aligned with Aquarion since 2006. They are the sponsor of not only environmental programming here, which makes them an ideal partner, but also the orientation area where every one of our visitors lands when they first get here. Another component of the environmental initiative with Aquarion has been the on-the-ground help with helping us to construct a Wheels in the Woods universally accessible trail. 1/8 of a mile allows us to bring people of all abilities, all ages, into nature. So we're standing up on the Heckscher Farm at the Stamford Museum, and this is really one of the heavenly destinations here on site. We have an organic garden, we've got gorgeous pastures. It's about a 17-acre farm. We have full production of maple syrup in February and March. Again, we're grateful to Aquarion for allowing us to also tap trees on the Aquarion sites. This is a magical place where we're able to, again, teach kids about where food comes from. They get to see heirloom breeds of animals. It's a working New England farm. Aquarion, as an environmental organization, as a high-quality company that is dealing with our environment and water quality, all of those things, you know, are enriched by our ability as a nature center to really speak to that and teach our children well.